So you're welcome once again over here. So if you want to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. Then when you open it, just try to search for Reddit app and check in for updates over here. You just have to, check over here whether the written update or open. When the written open, just leave it like that. When the written update over here, just tap on it to get the latest update. So after updating it, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu again and try to search for Reddit. So when you find Reddit, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Then you are going to find this pop-up. So when this pop-ups over here, what you have to do is to just tap on this symbol which appears over here. So just tap on this symbol. So when you tap on the symbol, you're going to be in the app info of Reddit. So over here, tap on full stop, tap on OK, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is turned on when it is off. Then after that, go back and tap on storage and cache. Then you tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is toggled. So when it's toggled on, what you have to do is to go back and tap on permissions. Make sure the camera, location, microphone, and storage permission are all allowed and not denied. After doing all this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So just tap on your power button for some while. Then after that, you're going to see some pop-up over here. So let's try. So as you can see, there is the pop-up which says restart, power off, and airplane mode. So what you have to do is to just tap on restart. But it depends on the device you're using. Some device you're going to see reboot. It's all the same thing. So you just have to tap on reboot or restart, and you're going to see this. Tap on OK or wipe to the top or down or left or right to turn your phone off automatically, and it's going to turn on automatically. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. When it turns on, the problem is going to get fixed. Hope this video has been helpful to you.